Have you ever walked into an older adult's home and felt an immediate sense of calm and order? It's never just spotless floors or neat shelves. It's a lifestyle built on steady habits that prioritize cleanliness, organization, and peace of mind. Over the years, I've watched, read, and learned from conversations online about what keeps some seniors' homes consistently welcoming and fresh. Let's walk through their habits, small actions that create a big difference. If you're into simple habits that make life easier, take a second and subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diaries. It helps you keep these ideas close without searching for them. 1. Tidy up before bed. Many seniors with consistently clean homes rely on a simple nightly rule: straighten up before sleep. They don't leave dishes soaking or blankets tossed across the couch. Most take 10 to 15 minutes each night to restore order so they wake up to a peaceful, predictable morning. It's not perfection, it's mental clarity. For example, Harold, 79, washes the dishes, fluffs the couch pillows, and ties up the trash if it's even close to full. He says taking care of these little tasks at night saves him from facing a morning ambush of chores. Another woman, Denise, shared that her nightly ritual includes switching off extra electronics, dimming the lights, and clearing her entryway so she feels ready for surprise early visitors. 2. Clean as they go. Instead of letting messes pile up, these seniors practice constant micro-cleaning. They wipe kitchen counters right after using them. They put things back where they belong. They never walk out of a room empty-handed if something needs to go elsewhere. In the kitchen, this looks like rinsing dishes immediately, never letting them tower in the sink. In the bathroom, it might mean wiping the sink after brushing their teeth so grime never gets a chance to settle. A retired baker named Nora said she sweeps the kitchen floor after every meal because it takes 30 seconds now, but becomes a sticky headache later. 3. Declutter continuously. They don't wait for a big spring cleaning day. They declutter quietly, consistently, almost without thinking about it. They ask themselves, do I use this? Does this still fit my life? Less clutter means less work, less dust, and less frustration. Edward uses a one-in, one-out rule. If he buys a new jacket, an old one must go. He keeps a donation box in his hallway closet, so anything he no longer wants goes straight in. This keeps decluttering easy instead of emotional or overwhelming. 4. Prioritize high-traffic areas. Their entire home isn't spotless all the time. They simply focus on the most frequently used spaces: kitchen counters, living room floors, bathrooms, and the entryway. These areas get a fast touch-up every day because they impact the whole feel of the home. For example, kitchen counters get wiped after every meal. Living rooms get a quick reset before bed. Bathrooms get a fast wipe and toilet brush swish. A woman named Carol focuses on her entryway first because it shapes her first impression every single day. 5. Create a morning routine. A productive start sets the tone for the rest of the day. Many seniors begin with small tasks: making the bed, opening the windows for fresh air, unloading the dishwasher, or putting away last night's clutter. Making the bed is a 2-minute win that eliminates visual chaos. Opening windows for a few minutes eliminates stale odors. One senior, Mark, sips his morning tea while unloading the dishwasher, turning a chore into something peaceful. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diaries so you don't miss the next set of senior-friendly home habits. These tiny tasks jumpstart momentum. 6. Use smart storage solutions. A clutter-free home often comes down to storage that actually works. Seniors who stay organized invest in baskets, bins, shelves, and simple labels so items disappear from sight but stay easy to find. For example, a basket in the living room holds remote controls. A labeled bin in a closet organizes gloves and scarves. A bed with drawers keeps seasonal clothing tucked away. One woman, Leona, uses clear bins in her pantry so she always knows what she has without digging. Good storage saves time and prevents clutter from creeping back. 7. Stick to small, manageable tasks. They don't attempt marathon cleaning sessions. They break tasks into bite-sized pieces. Vacuum one day, dust another, clean windows next week. Instead of tackling a whole room, they focus on a single shelf or surface. A man named Philip sets a 15-minute timer. He cleans until it rings, then decides whether to continue or stop. No pressure, no burnout. This rhythm keeps cleaning sustainable. 8. Keep cleaning supplies handy. Accessibility makes everything easier. Many keep cleaning supplies in the rooms where they're used, bathrooms, the kitchen, the laundry area, so they don't have to hunt for anything. A microfiber cloth in each bathroom, a bottle of all-purpose spray under the kitchen sink, a mini cleaning caddy ready to pick up for larger sessions. One woman on a forum said she keeps a portable tote with everything she needs and carries it room to room when she feels motivated. This encourages consistency and reduces excuses. 9. Invite nature in. Plants and fresh flowers make a home look and feel cleaner. Low-maintenance plants like pothos, succulents, or peace lilies improve the air and soften the space. A small bouquet on the dining table or kitchen counter adds instant freshness. George clips a few flowers from his garden every week. He says it brings life into his home and lifts his mood. Even a small herb pot on the windowsill makes a space feel more alive. 10. Reflect on the why. They don't clean just to have a tidy home. They clean because it brings peace, joy, and a sense of grounding. Cleaning becomes a form of self-care. For example, Maria wipes down her kitchen every night because it reminds her of her mother's love during childhood dinners. Another woman says a tidy home lowers her anxiety and helps her feel in control. When cleaning has emotional meaning, it feels rewarding instead of exhausting. 11. Adopt seasonal deep cleaning rituals. Daily habits keep things steady, but seasonal cleaning refreshes the entire home. This can include flipping mattresses, deep cleaning carpets, washing curtains, or clearing out storage spaces. One senior, Henry, deep cleans his windows every spring to let in more natural light. Another reorganizes her wardrobe every fall to prepare for colder months. Seasonal rituals provide structure and a sense of accomplishment. 12. Create zones for activities. Many seniors create specific areas for reading, crafting, exercising, or hobbies. Clear zones prevent clutter from spreading and make each activity easier to enjoy. A crafting nook may have labeled bins. A reading corner might have a small table and a tidy stack of books. A wellness zone may keep an exercise mat ready to go. A senior named Ruth says her daily stretching routine stays consistent because her exercise corner is always set up and clutter-free. 13. Make cleaning social or enjoyable. They find ways to make cleaning pleasant. Some invite a friend to help declutter. Others listen to audiobooks or music during chores. A group of retirees near me have a quarterly swap clean day where they visit each other's homes, tidy together, and chat over tea. Another woman cleans to her favorite playlist and says it turns scrubbing into something fun. When the process feels enjoyable, consistency becomes easy. 14. Plan a weekly deep clean day. Many seniors choose one day a week for tasks like vacuuming, mopping, cleaning appliances, or dusting deep shelves. For example, Saturday mornings might be reserved for cleaning the refrigerator or rotating tasks like bathroom deep cleans, windows, or kitchen surfaces. This predictable rhythm keeps the home under control all year long. 15. Maintain a laundry schedule. Clean clothes and fresh linen stay manageable through routine. Some dedicate Monday for clothes and Friday for sheets and towels. They fold and put everything away right away to avoid clutter piles. A senior named Joseph uses a small timer to keep the laundry moving so he never forgets a load in the washer. This keeps the process quick and stress-free. 16. Embrace seasonal maintenance. Beyond cleaning, they also take care of seasonal home upkeep, changing air filters, deep cleaning rugs, checking HVAC systems, or refreshing outdoor spaces. A senior named Ellen schedules her HVAC service every spring. Another wipes down patio furniture and sweeps porches at the start of each season. If you want more routines built for real life after 60, tap subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diaries. You'll get steady, useful guides without overwhelm. These habits keep the home running smoothly all year. When you step back, maintaining a clean home isn't about perfection. It's about simple habits repeated over and over. These seniors don't wait for motivation. They've woven cleanliness into daily life, and the result is a home that radiates warmth, care, and comfort. If you'd like, share your own routines or struggles in the comments. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Thank you for watching.